I built this horizontal scrolling website using Codex and Lovable to create the front end. So I'm gonna show you the step by step of how I create this amazing horizontal scrolling portfolio website. So the video gonna cover 3 parts. The first part is how to use Lovable to create the front end. Second part is how to use Codex in Visual Code Studio, where we gonna customize everything about the website. That part is also I'm gonna show you how to use Flow to create the custom assets. Let's go. First, let's paste the prompt. As you can see, it's a long prompt with code and everything. And now let's add the PDF file. And now I have added the implementation plan. Make sure it's plan mode and then just enter. So what Lovable gonna do is just analyze the whole prompt and then go through the implementation plan, and that will make the exact structure of this website. I will show you. This is a reference I took, and we gonna use this as a reference to make the website. So, and it's working on it, and it's gonna ask some questions. You need to answer it carefully. So here it asks about how should I handle the Next.js. I'm gonna just check as the recommended and just go next. And here upload them after the build, or I'm gonna just upload after the build, then go here and submit. Grab a coffee and let's just wait. So now we got the plan, and this is the plan. Read it carefully, and if it's all up to your liking, then just go and approve. Okay, and then approve. And now the Lovable is building our website. So let's just wait. There is features section and also index section. In the features, you can just scroll and see the layers of your work, and then there is index where you can see all the projects you worked in a index way, and that's a main feature we have. Okay, now let's work on the customization and adding our own custom images. So for that, let's move this code to anti-gravity. So how to do that? Just come over here and then where is okay, then go to GitHub and then just connect to GitHub and you will get the code. So this is the full code. You can just download by here and download the zip file, and then you can move the code to anti-gravity. That's where we're gonna customize things. So let's do that. So for editing, we're gonna be using VS Code, and inside the VS Code we'll be using Codex. So here I'm gonna add the file we had downloaded. This is the folder and open. So in the chat, let's go to Codex. We are using Codex, and we gonna be changing the small text like these text, but I don't want to go one by one and change them manually because that can take a huge amount of time. So instead I'm gonna just use a prompt. Let's paste that prompt. So here I'm gonna just add the plan mode on, and now let's just paste the prompt here. This is a simple prompt that won't be changing the layout, spacing, animation or anything, just the text. Okay, just the text. So let's just plan first. It's gonna plan everything and then just go with the proceed. Just like that, it created the plan and the things to add, category, industry. These are the text we need to add. Now it's asking for implement this plan or not. So I'm gonna just tap on yes. But just like that, we have changed everything. Now let's just localhost it and see how it turned out. As you can see, it's actually done. I will show you in full screen. So when you scroll, you can see how things are smoothly scrolling and how the text are changed. Now let's add the background image. For that, let's make some images. So we're gonna be creating the images in Flow. So come over here, new project. So here I'm gonna just paste the prompt that will create the image. Also, I will attach a reference image. So here I got this image from Pinterest. So I will say it again, this is completely for entertainment purpose. So here I'm gonna be recreating this exact image using this prompt, and we got the images, and this is still loading. I think it's gonna show up error or it's gonna show things. Yeah, anyways, we got 2 results from here, and I'm gonna be choosing this one and download in 2K. And just like that, we're gonna create 4 more images using prompts. You can find all the prompts in the description. You can take that. I mean, there's a link in Gumroad that will take you to Notion. That's where you can find all the assets. So download that. So I will get back to you after finishing the assets. And just like that, we got all the frames we need in our panels. So all we need to do is just add this one by one. So finally, I have added all the images in the public folder. There is all the images I have created. Yeah, these are the images I have created using Flow. Pretty cool, right? That one was insane. Okay, now then let's just add those in our panels. This is the prompt that will replace the panel background with these. Okay, now let's just wait. So just like that, we have add all the image to our panels. Let me just scroll and show you. And this is the second panel, and then there is our third panel. Okay, I really considering change these photos into videos, but maybe later. So this is the fourth panel. It's so clean, right? Super cool. And then there is fifth panel, final one, and that's it. This is how you can create wonderful portfolio website using Lovable and Codex. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next awesome video. Thank you for watching.